To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe up to scroll down, and locate the Privacy and Security option. Then tap to open it. Again, scroll all the way to the bottom. Here you will see Lockdown Mode. Tap on it. Now, tap Turn on Lockdown Mode. Read the details of what happens when you enable this feature, then tap Turn on Lockdown Mode at the bottom. From the pop-up menu, tap Turn on and Restart. After entering your passcode, your phone will restart. Your iPhone has restarted, and lockdown mode is now active. Your iPhone applies strict security measures, limiting messages, calls, web features, profiles, and wired connections to protect against cyber threats. You can turn it off anytime from this same menu. Scroll down to see additional options, including Configure web browsing and Enable 2G or 3G cellular connectivity. Lockdown mode *** enhances your iPhone's security by protecting it from sophisticated cyber attacks and unauthorized access. So that's how you can enable lockdown mode on iPhone.